Prepare yourself for a Minecraft challenge unlike any other, as we summon the terrifying Wither Storm using the power of commands. This isn't your standard Wither. The Wither Storm is a colossal, destructive force designed for truly experienced players. To begin this epic summoning, you'll need to open your chat and enable commands. First, we'll place a command block, right-click it with a redstone torch in your hand, and then we'll initiate the summoning sequence by activating this block. The core of our summoning is entering a specific, complex command into the chat. This command tells the game to spawn an entity with a unique set of parameters that define the Wither Storm's immense power and appearance. This command will define its massive size, its overwhelming health pool, and its devastating attack patterns. Think of it as a blueprint for destruction, crafted entirely through code. Once the command is entered and confirmed, the process of creating this monstrous boss will begin. You'll see the world around you start to react as this formidable entity takes shape. Be warned, the Wither Storm is an exceptionally difficult boss to defeat. It boasts an incredible number of health points, far surpassing the regular Wither, and its abilities are designed to overwhelm even the most prepared players. It possesses the ability to destroy blocks, summon hordes of lesser Withers, and unleash devastating projectile barrages. This is a true test of your combat skills, your strategic thinking, and your Minecraft survival prowess. Prepare for an intense, multi-stage battle that will push you to your limits. Good luck, and may your summons be both epic and victorious.